Do you know how to say hello in Kazakh? It's Salimetsizbe. Hi, I'm Jannar and I'm excited to invite you to explore the Kazakh language with my comprehensive course. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside. My course is designed to give you a solid foundation in Kazakh, starting with basics and moving towards more intermediate skills. Here's what's included. 24 detailed video lessons covering essential aspects of the Kazakh language, everything from the alphabet towards practical conversational skills. 20 plus exercises reinforce your learning with hands-on exercises. Bonus content of 25 plus essential Kazakh phrases. Ready to start your Kazakh language journey? Click the link in my bio to join the course today. Imagine yourself confidently speaking Kazakh, engaging in conversations, understanding the rich culture behind the language. This is your chance to turn